penguins and dolphins and shrimps. Oh my!
We are in the Amvrakikos Gulf. The Gulf of Amvrakikos is actually one of the most important ecosystems in Greece.
That's right. The 25-mile-long and 9-mile-wide shallow Gulf is an ecological paradise that has somehow survived the global warming crisis.
And the three main reasons that I always like to mention why the fish like it here is first, the temperature, especially in the summer. The water is really warm. It reaches the ideal degrees for the reproduction of the fish. A second reason why the fish like it here is the plankton. You can even spot the plankton in the sea right now because it is greeny and blurry. That's because of the plankton. Third reason why the fish like it here is the safety. There are no predators, no sharks, no krakens, no monsters, not anything like that.
These passengers set sail for a 3-hour boat tour of the famous Gulf, which was smooth sailing in every possible way, thanks to our energetic guide, DIMITRIS GIOVANOS.
It's like a ceremony every morning. Every Greek person drinks their coffee, and it's a secret to energy and happiness in Greece.
Locals of Preveza for many generations, Dimitris and his family run a family business, showing off the pearls of this historic body of water.
Many people from around Preveza and from around Greece, some people, come to Preveza for the sardine festival, okay?
What do you do in the sardine festival?
It's really simple. We eat sardines and we drink a lot of alcohol. We also have a lot of shrimps in the Gulf. They are the most famous shrimps in the world. The specific shrimp from Preveza is the most famous in the world. You know why? James Bond ate it in the movie.
The Preveza shrimps were for James Bond's eyes only in the famous 1981 movie. But the Amvrakikos Gulf boasts much more. There are over 100,000 species of flora. Plus, as many as 300 different species of birds call the Gulf home. And most majestic of all is that the Gulf has been a natural habitat for dolphins since antiquity, even during the famous Battle of Actium in 31 BC.
Their presence here has been since the ancient times. Even in Nicopolis, you can see in the walls the paintings of dolphins. They are also the national animal of Greece, so it has a lot of meaning. They have developed a community. They have even developed like a social hierarchy and social systems. They have a lot of similarities with how we interact with each other. For example, they even have their own language. They like to play with us. They like to show off, and they also really like it when we encourage them to play more with us. So when we clap, mostly. And they have a good taste in music. They like opera, they like ABBA, and the unique sounds.